Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarla, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Now let's see what are the conditions which are required for MR HIFU to be performed. First and foremost condition is symptomatic uterine fibroids. What do you mean by symptomatic uterine fibroids? Some people might experience fibroids but will not have any sort of symptoms. They might have an accidental USG scan for any other symptoms, and they might find out that they have fibroids but they will not be symptomatic in nature. But some people do represent or do have symptoms of fibroids. What are the symptoms of fibroids? One is prolonged bleeding or too much of bleeding, menses appearing every 15 days, every 10 days, and also passage of clots, pain in the lower hypogastric region, pain radiating or extending from the lower hypogastric region to the sacral region or to the backbone, pain extending from the hypogastric region to the thighs, pain extending as if a clenched hand has a grip on the uterus and it is pulling the uterus down. You have this bearing kind of sensation. All of this will come under symptomatic fibroid. Sometimes the fibroid can cause pressure symptoms on the urinary tract, which can lead into urge incontinence, or which can lead, if it is causing pressure on the back side, it can also lead into constipation symptoms. So these are the symptoms of fibroids. If you're experiencing any sort of these symptoms, you can get a MR HIFU done. Apart from that, women who desire to have a fertility or preserve fertility, remember that although MR HIFU doesn't cause any sort of problem to the uterus as such, but remember you have to at least take a gap of 1 year, before you plan your next pregnancy or before you plan your pregnancy as such. So that is very important. Take 1 year of gap. Unresponsive to medical management, people who are not responsive to any sort of hormonal therapies that are being conducted for the reduction of the fibroids can also take this MR HIFU. Apart from that, it can be a great alternative for myomectomy or hysterectomy, especially hysterectomy, because you're not taking away the uterus, so the hormonal balance can be maintained. If you take away the uterus, there are many side effects associated with it, but in MR HIFU you are retaining the uterus, but there are some potential side effects of MR HIFU as well, but which we will be discussing as the video progresses. But just remember that it can be an alternative to hysterectomy or any other invasive procedure. Many people are very scared about invasive procedures or some surgeries as such. They get very anxious. So MR HIFU can be preferred for these kind of patients. Apart from that, there are other considerations that you have to be at least 18 years of age for this MR HIFU to be performed. Your BMI is also very important. It should be less than 35. If you are too obese and if it is more than 35, then MR HIFU cannot be conducted on you. The original BMI can be 18 to 24. If you are surpassing the 24 count, you can be considered a little overweight. But if you are surpassing 29 or you are reaching 30, it is obese class 1. So if you are just under obese class 1, MR HIFU can be conducted. If you are in obese class 2, 3 or grade 4, MR HIFU cannot be conducted on you. That is also something that you have to take into consideration. If you are someone who is suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, pregnancy problems, abortions, miscarriages, or PCOS, bulky uterus, dysmenorrhea, any sort of female reproductive organ diseases, Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here at Fidelis Homeopathy, we have two types of consultation options. One is online consultation, the other one is offline consultation or the in-person consultation. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're someone who's staying far away, you can contact us online. We have two options, audio as well as video consultation options. And after the case has been taken, we will be asking you for certain investigations. If you have those investigations, you can share it with us. And after the whole procedure is done, especially to the online clients, our medicine will be delivered to your doorstep. It can take 3 to 4 business days. Remember, business days. It can take 3 to 4 business days for people who are staying in India, 3 to 5 business days for people who are staying in USA, and across the globe it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us or messages or in this number, and our team will get back to you. And if you would like to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or any other female reproductive organ diseases, remember why we have discussed homeopathy is much better off than allopathic form of treatment. And also, why should you choose Fidelis Homeopathy in all of these, apart from other homeopathic doctors or institutions as such. Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. We have very high success rate in treating these female reproductive organ diseases, be it fibroids, endometriosis, be it adenomyosis, PCODs, bulky uteruses, dysmenorrheas, or frequent miscarriages. So we have very high success rate in treating these diseases. Apart from that, we have transparent treatment, which means there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Everything will be discussed to you, and also the prognosis of your case will be discussed to you. And also the personal care here at Fidelis Homeopathy is top notch, because we will be answering you all of your queries. We will address your situation to you and explain it to you. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.